Braubevial in Nuremberg with David Haig from Ceisa Packaging. David, when people think of bioplastics, they normally at the moment think of a Coca-Cola's plant bottle. It's had a lot of publicity, but bioplastics are used in other areas in the drinks industry. Tell me about Greencore.
Yeah, absolutely. You mentioned Coca-Cola's plant bottle, and we started to see a clear trend in the packaging industry of a move away from more traditional fossil fuel-based plastics towards things incorporating plant-based materials. So having seen this trend in the market, we said to ourselves, well, why can't we do this also with shrink film? So as a large shrink film supplier in Europe and across the world, we began to experiment with different materials and how we can bring a plant-based film to the market. So we came up with our product Greencore. So Greencore follows a similar sort of line as Plant Bottle, and it's a 20% plant-based product. So basically how that works is we source a resin from a large French supplier called Roquette, and we use this resin in our formulation to give us the end result of 20% plant-based film. So for us, the key message behind such a product is that it's both recyclable and renewable. And for us, we feel that they're the two concepts which seem to resonate most clearly with the consumer today. The ability to recycle the product, but then also know that it's driving towards being more and more renewable. So, further down the line, the goal is to be able to increase this level of plant-based material to arrive at something which is entirely sustainable. On the flip side, for us, it's important that our customers know that we are still delivering a product of high quality. So the film itself has to be highly glossy, so aesthetically, when it's on the shelves, it looks very nice. And secondly, it performs well on customer machines. So the big wrapping machine manufacturers need to know that this product's going to perform to the standard of other products. Okay. And for us, sustainability is really at the heart of all of our innovations, and for us it's trying to stay one step ahead of the game. We feel that there is a demand for this type of product now, and for us the demand is only going to increase. So to have a range of sustainable green products to have on offer for our customers, 5-10 years down the line, then we will be in a great position to respond to that market demand. And our customers will be pleased to have that on offer, I feel. So we'll continue to work with Greencore, and hopefully that will grow more and more in the next few years, and then that will maybe lead to some further developments in the bioplastics category.
One of the other things that Ceisa is very well known for is shrink sleeving. Will we see bioplastics coming into that and stretch sleeve films as well?
Potentially. At the moment, we offer a range of shrink and stretch sleeves. So the shrink sleeves is using at the moment PVC or PET material, and we operate more as a converter of this product, whereby we source the material and then we print it in flexographic printing. However, recently, over the past 2 or 3 years, I would say, we've put a lot of time and effort into the development of our product, which is called SPS, which is stretch polyethylene sleeve. So with this product, we take care of the whole value chain. So we extrude the film ourselves and we print. So we're in entire control of that product. So it would definitely be the natural line or pipeline of innovation would to be when Greencore is fully industrialized, fully out there, and it's running extremely well. It would be a natural progression to move to SPS and try and bring in some plant-based materials, and for us that is definitely in the pipeline and on the horizon. But we would like to get Greencore out there performing well with big customers, and then look to bring this plant-based stuff into our other product ranges and see how that works in the market. But I said there's a definite fit there with SPS for sure.
Thanks again for downloading this podcast. For more news, analysis, opinion, interviews and multimedia for the food and beverage industry, go to foodbev.com.